So I'm sick. And I'm bored. And I'm still dressed. Yet I'm in bed. Oh well. Yep. So, if anybody got any beds, can they please give them to me? I need them bad. Yeah. I feel like shit. That's how bored I am. I'm YouTubing myself as I'm watching TV. Ugh. I can't do this anymore. Oh, by the way, I broke my nail. Wanna see? See that? See where that crack is at? That nice red line. It's gonna get them done tomorrow, but can't do the art because my nail is cracked. That's how my nails really look. But then I got the retard nail. Eek. So see you guys later. Bye.